Okay. Hey, Mrs. Zimmerman again. I'm back. Another video, okay? I'm trying to help you out with your math homework. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do a textbook assignment from Big Ideas, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you. Okay. So, okay, there I am. I'll just put me over here. Okay. I'm on Google Classroom. Okay, right? You go to class, oops. You go to class link, you click on Google Classroom, and here you are, Math, Zimmerman, or Kautsoulis if you're in Mrs. Kautsoulis' class. Okay? We always go to classwork first to see our homework, and today is Thursday. So I'm going to click on Thursday, 8/27, and look, there's my homework. Okay, here's what I have to do for math today. Number one, I need to watch the multiplication video. Okay, so I would click on this video and watch it. You can do that. That's not what my video is about today. So you need to watch the video. What I'm trying to show you today is how to do step number 2, is how to do your Big Ideas math assignment. Okay, so just follow the steps. First, we need to go to class link, then Big Ideas. So let's do that first. So we're in class link. We need to go to Big Ideas right here. Okay, click on Big Ideas. Okay, looks like Big Ideas is loaded. My next step, back to this. Okay, so I went to class link. I went to Big Ideas. Now I need to go to the assignments. Assignments are over here. You see those 3 lines? Kind of look like a hamburger. Yeah, a hamburger. You could remember it that way. Okay, click on those 3 lines. Follow my cursor over here. Those 3 lines, and I'm looking for assignments right here. Click on assignments. It's going to take a minute to load. Look, and there it is. Multiplication practice. Okay, so back to my thing. I went to assignments, multiplication practice. Okay, it looks like I must have done 2, but we'll just do one of them, okay? We'll do one. So you click on it. I clicked on the title of it. Did you guys see how I did that? And while it's loading, I'll talk to you a little bit about how to do the problems when you're online, okay? So when you're online, there we go. It is really important to still do your work on a separate sheet of paper, okay? You don't have to turn any work into me and Mrs. Kautsoulis, but you are going to do so much better on the problems if you're working on some paper, okay? You follow the steps just like in the video that, whatever lesson you're watching, do the work on your paper and then submit it into the computer, okay? All right, it looks like we're loaded. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Okay, here's my first problem. It says multiply 150 times 2. Okay, let's look and see what other kinds of information is on this page before we solve the math problem that I can show you. Looks like we've got 4 questions, 0 of 4 answered. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are not answered yet, so we know that that's going to be, as we answer them, that will fill in. Let's see, what else? Oh, up here, look, you get to have a calculator. Click on the calculator. Oh, there you go. Okay, some problems might get a calculator. Some problems you might not get a calculator. It just kind of depends, okay? But that's there if you need it. All right, let's multiply. 150 times 2. So I'm going to go through, grab a pencil, do my multiplying, times 2. Okay, I know that 150 times 2, oh, there's some more buttons for you to enter in, but we only you can click on 300, or you can use your number keys on your keyboard. So I'm just going to type it in, 300. click off of it so that keyboard goes away, and I'm going to click next. Okay, and then I'm going to do 175 times 8. So I'm going to write it down, I'm going to solve it, and yada, yada, yada. Okay, I'm going to answer that one. I'm going to click next. Okay, now we have another one. I'm not going to solve this one because I don't want to give you all the answers. So I'm just going to put in 0. We have another one. I'm all done. Okay, if I want to go back and check any problems, I can go back to number 2 and be like, oh yeah, okay, that's what I got for number 2. Okay, that's what I got for number 4. I want to submit. So this button right here, I'm all done. Submit. Do you want to? Yes. Okay. It was all done. This will refresh. And as it's loading, yep, it's gone. Okay, you submitted it. We got a 50%, right? Because I just guessed on the last 2 and put those zeros. Sometimes your assignments will score right away. Sometimes they won't. It kind of depends on what Mrs. Katsoulis and I decide. But you can click on it and see which ones you got right. Okay, look, oh, I got that one right. You can kind of play around with this. I'm not going to waste your time looking at all of these things. But here's your to-do. If you ever have any assignments to do, they're going to show up here. If you turned it in, it's going to be here with the grade. Okay, now let's go back to Classroom. And we watched the video already, so we did that step. We did our multiplication practice on ClassLink. Optional multiplication snake game. So if I want to, I can click this game. Otherwise, I'm done for the day. That's all the math that I had to do today. Okay? So remember, this is how you do an online textbook assignment. I'm going to take it off share. All right, good luck.